In the first few seconds, imagine a litter box that quietly takes care of the most repetitive part of cat ownership, without apps, without complexity, and without constant checking. For many pet owners, that alone changes the daily routine more than expected. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, where we review products with a calm, practical, and experience-based approach, so you can decide what truly fits your home. Today, we're looking at the PetPivot open-top self-cleaning cat litter box, an automatic litter system designed with safety, simplicity, and long-term usability in mind. If you decide it matches your needs, the purchase link is available in the description for your reference. This product is aimed at cat owners who want to reduce manual scooping while maintaining a clean, consistent environment for their pets. It is especially relevant for households with multiple cats, senior pet owners who prefer low-maintenance solutions, or anyone who values a straightforward system without app dependency or subscription requirements. What makes it notable is not just automation, but how it intentionally avoids unnecessary complexity while focusing on safety and compatibility. Reason number 1. Safety-first engineering with layered protection. One of the strongest aspects of this litter box is its emphasis on safety. It uses 7 pairs of infrared sensors that continuously monitor movement, combined with a touch-sensitive safety pedal and a mechanical limiter to prevent unintended operation. In practical use, this means the system is designed to stop or avoid rotation if a cat approaches or interacts with it. This layered approach adds reassurance, especially for multi-cat households or cautious owners. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, safety is consistently highlighted as a defining strength of this model. Reason number 2. Simple operation without app dependency. Unlike many modern smart devices, this system does not rely on mobile apps or Wi-Fi connectivity. There are no logins, no subscriptions, and no learning curve tied to the software. You simply set it up and let it operate independently. For many users, especially those who prefer reliability over digital features, this simplicity becomes a major advantage. It removes potential points of failure and keeps the experience consistent over time. Reason number 3. Cleaner waste separation through smart cleaning logic. The cleaning mechanism is designed with timing control that allows litter to clump properly before rotation begins. This helps reduce common issues like waste sticking to the base or smearing along the interior walls. Over time, this improves overall cleanliness inside the unit and reduces the frequency of deep cleaning. While no automatic system is completely maintenance-free, this approach does improve efficiency in day-to-day use. Reason number 4. Broad litter compatibility for everyday convenience. Another practical strength is its compatibility with standard bentonite and mineral-based clumping litters. This means users are not locked into proprietary refill systems, which can often increase long-term costs. Instead, you can continue using familiar litter brands based on preference or budget. For many households, this flexibility makes ongoing ownership more economical and convenient. Reason number 5. Accessibility-focused design and easy maintenance. The PetPivot system also includes a step-assisted entry point, which can be helpful for senior cats or those with limited mobility. Additionally, the modular design allows for quick, tool-free disassembly. This makes deep cleaning more manageable, particularly in areas where residue or dust might build up over time. In real-world use, this reduces the friction typically associated with maintaining automatic litter systems. Final verdict: the PetPivot open-top self-cleaning cat litter box is not positioned as a fully advanced smart ecosystem. Instead, it focuses on core essentials: safety, simplicity, and practical automation. Its limitations lie in the absence of app-based tracking or advanced smart analytics, which some users may expect in modern pet tech products. However, that simplicity is also what makes it appealing. It reduces dependency on technology, while still delivering consistent automatic cleaning performance. This makes it particularly suitable for users who prioritize reliability over features, or for those who want a low-maintenance system that quietly integrates into daily life without constant attention. If your goal is a straightforward, safety-conscious automatic litter solution that avoids unnecessary complexity, this product stands out in that specific category. Take a moment to evaluate whether its approach aligns with your expectations and choose based on long-term convenience rather than short-term novelty.